Hello and welcome to this week's social show. It's all very exciting, but what isn't exciting is that I have this one next to me this week, unfortunately.
What do you mean this one? First of all, we need to say a big thank you because we're not filming it in the studio. Southern Manufacturing 2020. We're on the stand of GW Martin. The guys have been very kind to let us nick their stand while we do the show. But despite your rudeness, Gina, I've got a little present. So give me the microphone. Hand out. There you go.
What could this be? Oh, what? No way. No way is it a sterling silver necklace made on a wire EDM machine by EDM Zone. I said that completely wrong. Let me do that one again. Oh my God, Colin, what's this about? I know
Something I need to tell you.
What?
Shut up.
I know it's Valentine's Day, but I did not expect a sterling silver, beautiful, stunning necklace made on a wire EDM machine by EDM Zone, by their apprentices actually.
Okay. And what are their names?
I'm going to say Joseph and Richard.
Now, you seem surprised at this present, but you seem to know all about it.
Oh, well, that's because I'm really good at machining, Colin, and I know when I see a good piece on a wire EDM.
You say wire EDM. How many types of EDM are there?
3.
What types?
Wire. The stamping.
No, we'll call it sync.
The,
I'll give you a clue.
go on.
What is this week's educational video? Lucky someone did some preparation. It is about EDM fast hole drilling.
Joff, please play that thingy.
EDM. Electrical discharge machining, otherwise known as spark erosion or sparking. What is it? Obviously, I have the machine here. You'll make a piece of tooling, generally bespoke. That will sit here. You have your component. This has already been manufactured, which will sit underneath it. A current will run through the tooling. It will then hit the component, spark, and erode that material. But why would you use it? There are a number of reasons. First, it works on very, very hard materials. Second, if you have sharp edges, this works really, really well. And third, but not least, difficult components. Sometimes you can't mill certain components. You might need an undercut, for example. You'll build a bespoke piece of tooling, and that will enable you to get into that piece of componentry. So there you are, EDM, sparking, spark erosion. Wow.
Incredible. I feel like I've learnt so much. Thank you, Colin.
Gina, always a pleasure.
I don't say thanks very often, but that was actually very educational.
Absolute pleasure. And look, just have a look at that. I'm going to keep that for my girlfriend. Burn. Right, next.
What the hell? Oh my God.